Hi guys, it's Ash here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you all how I make chocolate ice cream all by hand in my van. This recipe is really easy and simple to make. So all you need is 4 basic ingredients. So the first ingredient is some overly ripe bananas. So you need 4. Then you need 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of milk of your choice, and then 2 tablespoons of nut butter. I'll be using peanut butter, but you can also use almond butter, cashew butter. It's really up to you. It will alter the taste a little bit, but I just use what I have on hand, and peanut butter is a lot cheaper as well. So the first step is to cut up our overly ripe bananas so that we can freeze them and we can actually make the final product. So once you've got your bananas chopped, you need to pop them in a little freezer bag and then pop them in the freezer so that they can become frozen so we can make the final product. Now that our bananas are nice and frozen, which takes at least 3 to 4 hours, if not overnight, it's probably better, we can start making the ice cream. The first step is we're going to pop our frozen bananas into our bowl. Nextly, we need 1/4 cup of milk. I'm just using, it's actually skim milk if you can't read German. So next we need 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. So I've got like a bio one, which is like a raw version. And lastly, we need 2 tablespoons of nut butter. So as I said before, I'm using peanut butter.
It just means that you're special.
Got my masher ready. So you don't have too much working time. You do have a little bit, but you want to work as quick as you can so that the banana doesn't lose too much of its frostiness and its frozenness, so that your ice cream is a nice thick consistency. So you can either eat it straight away or you can pop it in a container and put it in the freezer for later. Delicious.